In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Apple Pay on Remitly. If you want to make your payments more convenient while using Remitly, adding Apple Pay as a payment method can be a quick and simple option. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact process so you can follow along easily and make sure everything is set up correctly. To begin, open your Remitly account. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen of the app or website before moving forward. It's always a good idea to check that your account is fully accessible and that you're using the correct profile, especially if you've used different payment methods before. Once you're inside your account, look for the Manage section and click on it. This area is where Remitly lets you control important account settings and payment preferences. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to look through the account or settings menu, since the exact layout can vary slightly depending on your device. After that, click on Payment Method. This section shows the ways you can pay for your transfers and lets you update or add a new option. If you're planning to use Apple Pay regularly, this is the place where you'll manage it. Next, click Add Payment Method. This will open the available choices for adding a new way to pay. Be sure to read the options carefully, so you select the one that matches how you want to complete your transactions. From there, click Card. In many cases, Apple Pay is linked through your card details or through the wallet setup on your Apple device. So this step helps connect the correct payment source. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, since the exact fields and confirmation steps may depend on your region, device, or Remitly version. Then, this is the part where you will enter your Apple Pay account details. Make sure all information is entered accurately to avoid payment issues later. If your device prompts you to confirm through Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode, complete that verification to continue securely. Once everything is entered, review the details before saving the payment method. This helps prevent errors and makes future payments much faster. After it's added successfully, you should be able to select Apple Pay when sending money through Remitly. And that's it. That's how to pay with Apple Pay on Remitly. Take your time during setup, double-check your information, and you should be ready to use it smoothly for your next transfer.